Hey, how's it going, everybody? Lewis with Elite Fine Finish. I wanted to come to you today and talk about some of the commonly asked questions that we hear here in the store, both in person and on the phone. So stay tuned and we'll see if we can get some of those questions answered for you. All right, so one of the most commonly asked questions that we get is what's the difference between a 1K and a 2K coating? We'll start with the 1K. A 1K product is something that's ready to use right out of the can. Most of the Renner waterborne coatings have a 1-year shelf life, and you won't need to do anything to these products besides stir it before you're ready to use and pour it. As far as a 1K durability would be very comparable to anything that you might be using from one of the larger paint retailers or a box store, and even when it comes to the solvent side, your lacquers. Some of our 1Ks even get into the durability of a conversion varnish. So they are extremely durable, just like your oil-based products and stuff like that. What's really nice about these products is they don't yellow on you. They dry really fast and they have an amazing look and feel. So for something like residential cabinets, where it's not going to see a lot of traffic, a 1K product is just fine. We have 1K products that are available as 1K top coats, meaning these would need to go on top of a primer. And we also have 1K products that are sold as self-sealers, meaning you can use them without primer in a single application use. So really good products. All right, now let's talk about a 2K product. Now, with Renner water-based coatings, we have true 2K products, but we also have mono bi-component products. What that means is a mono bi-component product can be used as a 1K, or you have the option to catalyze it with one of our waterborne catalysts and use it as a 2-component product. Now, when you add the catalyst to the coating, you now are working with a pot life. What that means is once you catalyze the product and you mix them together, you're going to have between 2 and 4 hours to work with that material before it's not good anymore. So you have to keep that in mind when you're working with these things. But there's a big benefit to using the catalyst, especially if you're looking for durability. It's also going to help that coating dry faster and hold up for years to come. Okay, so I hope that answers the question on what's the difference between the 1K and the 2K. Now keep in mind that mono bi-component, because we don't hear a lot of people ask about that. So that's also a great option. And honestly, that's what we sell the most of. It's kind of rare that we sell only a 2K coating in the waterborne Renner products. Okay, so another question that we get asked quite a bit is what are the dry times on these products? Now, of course, this is going to vary by product, and your environmental conditions are going to play a huge impact on this. But for the most part, most of our products in an ideal environment are going to dry to touch within 15 to 30 minutes and be dry to sand within 1 hour. Now, what are those optimal conditions? Renner Wood Coatings recommends 72 degrees with relative humidity between 50 and 60%. Now, we understand that that's not going to be everybody's environment, and what we like to tell everybody is that these products love air movement. So if you're spraying the Renner Wood Coatings and you're noticing that they're drying a little bit slow, make sure you have circulating air in the space. And it doesn't have to be a whole lot. You just need air movement, and you'll notice a big improvement in your dry times. Okay, here's another question we get asked quite a bit. What are the options that we have available in the Renner Wood Coating water-based products? The reason we chose to be a distributor for Renner Wood Coatings is because they have an extremely complete line when compared to competitive waterborne industrial wood coating products. We have primers in white, we have sealers in clear, we have white top coats, we have white self-sealers, we have all of the waterborne spray stains, wiping stains, glazes, all of the clear finishes, catalysts, and we can even get you access to the solvent-borne products that Renner has available. So to answer that question, we really do have a variety of products to cover anything that you might be doing, from millwork, cabinets, to furniture, and exterior applications as well, in both stain and pigmented. All right, what about tinting? What colors can we make? Well, to answer that question, we can match and make pretty much any big box store or big retail color. So all of your Sherwin-Williams colors, Benjamin Moore, PPG, Behr, we have the Valspar from Lowe's, we have the SWHG, I believe they call it, from Lowe's as well. And you also can send us anything in the mail and we can match to that. We have a very complete stain system where you can make 25 standard stain colors, and then you can also adjust from there with the stain colorants that we can provide as well. So we can match anything. Have the confidence that we can match pretty much anything there is. All right, another popular question that we get asked is, can these products be brushed and rolled, and what's the best application method? So if you ask the manufacturer, Renner Wood Coatings, if these products can be brushed and rolled, the answer is going to be no. Simply because they weren't designed to be brushed and rolled. They were all designed to be sprayed. Now we do have end users that choose to brush and roll the product, and they have success with it. It's just different than other products that were designed for that specific reason. Now the best way to actually apply these products is going to be by a spray application. We found that there's no issue spraying the Renner Wood Coatings with turbine HVLP, compressed air HVLP, air-assisted airless, or airless pumps. So you can have the confidence to know that if you're spraying, these products will work with most any spray equipment application that you choose to use it with. So there are different products that are going to work better with different types of spray equipment. So if you have any other questions, if you have any other questions, we would be happy to answer those regarding the best application method. But I hope that this video addressed a lot of these commonly asked questions that maybe you had yourself. If not, feel free to call the store, 832-763-0726. All the products are available at the link below, www.rennerproducts.com. Have a good day.